Error that thing.
That one day, but if she not be virgin, that means sex go day. But if she be virgin, we need to go see her mom.
Na me go know as I go take confuse her, because that means the girl is well trained and no be that kind anyhow girl. That means she's truly an house materials. So I will like it, but I go still find the way I will take Wazobia. Just use her brains if she go agree.
Make she dey go her own. Why we gonna date?
Yes, una welcome back and see BOBOS on top Wazobia TV. If you just join us, we get one spooky matter what we talk about. Where we say if you get girlfriend, she can't tell you say no cranking until you see her parents. That are the matter what they talk about today. Now, I want me to go enter this angle. If to say if na girl where you just start relationship with and it tell you say no cranking until you see your parents, and it is say na babe where we say una don dey crank already. All of a sudden, she just stop. Say no more cranking until you see my parents.
We are dealing with
those
the
two, how would you handle
major
it?
issue. Now that one is minority. That one na like
No,
like
but
3%.
someday now.
Now like 3% of relationship. Now you go find that kind of case.
You never do. But you've not. Why I won't call you say?
Would they crank
But you
before?
never
Then you
do.
can't say
You never do statistics of all this, so you cannot know if it's 3%.
It's 3%.
Why would you say 3%?
You know why?
Why are you saying this?
What is statistics? How? You don't see
When
anybody.
you have gone to do a research, you do a recce,
You don't
and
do
you go
anybody.
take no.
Time,
You what you don't do,
everything
what
they
they know.
talk. Would they work with our brain?
Do you
But you
Work
don't
with-
see how many
wait,
girls
let
every
me
say they
tell
just
you.
look
You
up
know
one
what
of a
is
sudden.
statistics?
Then talk
Statistics
say they no one crank
Wait,
again.
so
There are many Nigerian ladies
how
that-
many you don't meet?
You did now? A
No,
couple.
you did. How many you don't meet?
A couple of them
No,
now.
you see them now. That is
No,
statistics.
if you say we never
This
meet
is how
anyone, no
you
me
do
say
your
they no dey out
statistics.
there.
You guys listen. This is how you do your statistics.
Okay.
If I don't meet one couple, we be say this boyfriend and girlfriend. This guy tell and say no crank me, oh. I no will give you until you see my parents. I believe so you don't meet such people.
I've met
Of course,
yes,
I don't meet.
Now, I never meet the way they crank before. Oh.
I don't
Wait,
meet.
oh. They crank before. I can't stop.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't meet.
They can't say no because now our own assumption
Even
and
me,
they come.
it happen for my-
That
I tell
is the
you, I don't
statistics.
meet.
You know why? Because if I don't meet the ones where never they crank before I come they crank, I meet like 5. I can say 90%.
You know, I don't meet person. When the guy tell me, I tell the guy, say yes. How long? The guy say don't date the girl for like 2 years. I say you said you get how you don't do over there on these purpose. You suppose by that don't know say okay don't reach. To the guy they would say he get how.
But to get some people
like
say
due
to their religion, all of a sudden they stop.
I also get somebody also
Then
where
stop,
I know
cut off, say
today.
no more cranking,
Where
except
was
the
a
guy won't
very
marry
bad person. You understand? Imagine you dey date a girl where you are the way go club, they group everything, they crank steady. Then one day she can't repent. Can't turn born again. Can't tell you say, see
No-
now
no
she don't
cranking.
born again. No cranking. The same way. When some girls the way they always say, oh boy, this guy don't they crank me. And this guy, I don't say this guy won't marry me.
The relationship no they get headway.
Yeah.
You
So
know,
because you
use
don't
that
want,
one
you don't want to
enter
tell you. I rather say I don't want you again.
He go just
But
tell you say no more cranking.
Just to know whether you really want to stay on the matter. It's there. It's happening.
I know say that if for girl wey repent, it's quite different from girl wey just want make sure say you marry her.
And
You
now,
understand?
now it means to the end now. Most girls, the way guy don't do over, they crank them.
They'll go
They've
repent
never
because they won't
said,
make you marry
the
her.
guy never even give a ring. He has never mentioned a word about, or even go see family,
He
or
never
anything.
phone and talk about future
If
at
na
all.
you, as na your sister, what the first advice wey you give the girl? Stop cranking him.
Stop cranking him.
Yes. Since you can't leave
then
him.
they friend am.
You can't leave. No, some girls they will not
No,
leave
don't be
them.
stop
Some girls
cranking
they will
him.
not invest too much in that many years. In
No,
the
then
friendship.
what did that stop cranking him they do? What be the medicine
If
wey
you
dey
want
cure?
to know whether na the cranking they keep am. If the guy walks away and no come back, then you don't know
Wey
so
dey
you don't
find
have
each
to
other.
the cranking.
For
You
years.
dey now.
You can't tell one say, hey, I know they crank am again.
No what it go happen to you.
Whether, it can't happen to
I
me.
can even give you an example.
It can't happen to
I
me
can
because
give
you
you
know
an
why?
example. I can give you an example.
Because
I can give you an example.
I have.
And it happened to you. It happened
Which
to
one?
you.
Which one
And if I
happened to me?
don't want to call the name, but I'll tell you the story. You are smiling. It happened to you. Me and you have a mutual friend that we know of. And that person has stopped cranking me because, and even you too, I'm very sure, because that person is looking for a relationship. And I said clearly that this thing doesn't understand where it's leading to.
I don't get that one. I don't know that person.
You never get that memo. God
Call his
forbid,
name.
can I call his name?
Call
It start
him,
with
I
A.
don't know.
It start with A.
I don't know that
It start
such
with
person.
A.
It is good.
It start with
to
A.
be born again.
So I'm just saying, you know the person. The person,
Hey.
Ugo, imagine how you are cracking somebody, you understand? They come realize, and I've told you that an example, because even me, clearly, we knew that we're not going to marry this person, obviously. First and foremost, I did not know he was even cracking my guy before. And now my guy called the squad and say,
In the crank you too.
In the crack me too. Do you expect that? The person they tell me now, see,
May we do
I
see
don't-
your
I don't
opinion.
know what
When
you
we come back,
know, and it happened to
we
you,
talk
that
more.
I'll give you an
See your
example
opinion.
now.
And you are a
Clearly.
virgin, oh, but you are
Nothing happened to me and the girl. I'm not saying.
But you are a virgin.
If he stop to crank you, say because of say you know what, you know stop to crank you because.
That one makes sense pass now.
That one nice sweet pass. Tell me say no sense. See, that one I dey find. Even here that big boy there.
Our whole body now it makes sense. Though some of my colleagues sometimes, if they argue that so don't say any good or make you know your man. If he be important, if he knows Sabi do, if he get this smart, if he knows Sabi stay long out, they will just a contemplation of the sun. But me, I think it's a perfect thing. It's very nice.
It's very few. It's difficult for you to see a guy that will say no sex before marriage. But out of 500 guys, you see like 2 guys that will say no sex before marriage. But I think that is the best way. If there is guys, if all guys are behaving like that, it's the best way.
Yes, so now welcome back. Nancy BOBOS and we did the yarn the matter today. Where we say if you get partner, we tell you say no cracking until you go see in papa and in mama. Wetin you go do?
You see,
now.
Ugo, that's why I like one thing about life. Say how you start your relationship. I want to
It
tell
matter.
Shakara
It
about
matters.
this that government body some days ago. Ugo, they talk. If you start your friendship with say na cranking, and you can't decide say you stop. It's like a smoker. If you and your partner they smoke, then the girl can't stop or one person stop.
Yeah.
Can't take it down and say may you follow.
Smoking is follow
say
suit.
smoke no. Say may you stop. You understand? It did so because you see you stop your own. Something convinces you to stop. You understand? Either you go to pray that person stop. You don't need to force and say because I have stopped, you must also stop. You be giving me food and they crank you since. Your eye can't open one day. You can't realize say you know one. And like you said one day, I mean I talk as a sex is also the spice of relationship. I'm not saying it is very good before marriage, but waiting you don't already they start. You understand? You have to be very careful. If you take them out, there will be problems because that guy now has been eating that food. He will want to eat it somewhere. Especially if they're only your own nine, they always want.
Shakara, what really? Because I really want make you look am from the angle where we carry am dey go.
No how we, no angle I want look at from. No be say, I know the series from wetin they talk o, but advantages dey on my side more.
How?
My point wey I dey give una since. You understand?
What point have you given?
Talk,
just come this back.
aponya. Go.
No, you know
Yeah,
why?
I
Because
wait.
you they confuse me right now.
How they take confuse you?
So are you saying that say you dey okay, make get talk say you know crank you again because you never come see your parents?
No be saying me no crank you again. That no crank you again sef. I say even no possible or it's 1 out of 10.
If I not
The
crank
one wey dey
again,
very possible
not
na
crank
be
again.
say
Get
e no
like
go
this,
crank
no
you
crank you.
until you go see her parents.
Yes, from
It's
the
very
beginning.
possible she's a good girl.
Yes.
She's a very good girl, 100%.
Yes.
And she's doing that because
Yes.
you started from now you make me vex for this place.
No, why?
Because you someone
said
started
discussion.
talking
No
by
be your
saying
wife,
that you know
all
no
those
kind of-
no be discussion no, because I was really angry. Understand? True, because number one, people were in this bar. People are watching us. You understand? You are misleading a whole lot of people.
Why are you telling me not to stop saying this? You are saying
No, because
no,
you say-
Zachariah is wrong.
No,
it's
no,
my
it's not
opinion.
wrong.
My
That's
opinion.
your
Your opinion.
opinion.
That's what your presenter is. Your opinion is my own opinion too.
Your own opinion
Who told you that?
was one
there are
way.
people.
Your opinion was
there
one
are-
way.
Who yours
You
is
said
one way
that
too.
means the girl
I'm
is
not
not
I'm
a
not
good
finished.
girl.
No, I don't say that.
That's what he said.
I'm
here
not
now.
saying that.
It's
I'm
on tape
telling
already.
you.
It's on
I'm
tape
telling
already.
you that
If you want us to look at it again-
anybody that uses
If you want us to look at it
uses
again,
sex as a yardstick to one catch person for marriage is wrong.
It's not wrong.
It's wrong.
It's not wrong.
It's wrong.
No.
I want them to
It's
say.
about people
You want them
policy,
to say.
people principle.
Man,
You got people.
your
Their
policy
mother
could be wrong.
don't tell them say any man when you give kpekus, the man go rubbish you.
Eh.
They believe that thing.
Doesn't mean it's right.
Doesn't change them. Who
Doesn't mean
they
it's
are.
right. I'm
It's
asking
right
you.
to them.
No.
It's right
there are
to
some
them.
men. There are some men that will not rubbish you even when they do that to you.
I
Agree.
know.
Showman,
Those
see,
people,
wait,
it's
you
right.
guys, wait. One, calm
It's
down.
my opinion now.
One, calm
Always
down.
say,
I don't
except
hear.
you say some.
Wait.
Except
I don't
you
hear
say-
everything
say
when they
some.
talk. Now, you get point, you get point. Now, the fact is this. If you say, their mama tell them, say, if you give guy kpekus, he go rubbish you. Now, their belief be that. Showman, we
Yes,
have
now.
people like that they have such beliefs.
Obviously
now,
now.
if you say
Does it make
if you-
your belief right?
Wait, if you say, calm down.
I'm asking, does it
That
make
is
you
why
right?
we have different beliefs.
Eh.
We have so many people doing so many
What you
practicing
believe
so many
in right now
religions in the
does
world.
not mean it is right.
Showman, listen to me.
see.
Listen,
If a
showman.
girl-
Now, the point
if
is
a girl
this.
believes that
If you
she
say
gives
it is not right,
have sex
fine.
before marriage.
It is her belief.
That is right, Abi. And she's not giving to any other person. Man, she's right.
She's right.
You're not getting my
You
point.
don't make her.
You know they get my point. If a girl tell you, say, as you go meet girl and say, see, baby, I like you, want you, and I can't begin the one date. She can't tell you, say, let me tell you, even if you want to date me, so no problem. Oh. But if you don't come and see my parents, you will not crank. For her to first think of the word, that means she likes cranking. If you tell me that
I don't get time, I
if
don't
you
get
tell me
time.
that I'm a virgin, I cannot crank you, I cannot be this virgin until I get married. I will understand. But you don't enter the assist.
Somebody don't break her heart
Not choice
before.
now.
Somebody don't break her heart
But you
before.
if she
Shakara,
goes that way, she
you
will
buy-
meet,
you
buy
yeah,
the
you make
idea.
a girl meet the wrong person because
You
some
buy the idea,
guys meet
Abi.
their parents and not still marry her.
This guy just-
You buy the idea, Abi. You buy the idea.
You they tell me topic where.
Now
if you
question,
know, so I
do
know
you
they
buy
come
the
this back.
idea, yes or
I don't
no?
tell you, no they call me.
If you don't answer, come on here.
I know the joke because
I
they
beg.
laugh. Oh.
I dey
dey
tell you. Come and mention there.
Okay, those are the only smile. People
Mention
don't know how they
there.
verse.
What do you mean?
I don't
Verse.
tell you.
Oh yeah,
If
verse.
people get by, they ask me my last thing. Wait, bring nonsense topic. We don't get.
This is that person.
Yeah,
You know what you want?
I beg, I just dey tell you.
Say one girl.
I
One
just dey
girl.
tell you there.
This topic dey affect you.
I just dey tell you there.
It dey
Say
affect
anyhow
you.
way it take pay you, now be the best thing what you need to do. If your mentality now say you no go crank before you marry, stick to it. But if your own now say you dey crank, they go.
Which is
and you
good.
believe say na that one,
Don't
you
crank.
what they do.
Cranking is
Carry
bad.
on. And if you believe say you don't do and reach one particular level,
On our mind
you
now.
look say it not pay you.
Mine now,
Fine,
on a
it pay you.
better
Anyhow way you want them, anyhow way it pay you,
Help this
now
guy.
your love.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.